Dylan, today I give you my heart and my promise that I will walk hand in hand with you wherever God leads us. I promise to love, trust, and respect you forever. I promise you my deepest love, fullest devotion, and my tenderest care. I choose you in friendship and in love, in strength and weakness, to share in achievement and failure. I will cherish you through the changes of our lives, forever giving thanks that we found each other. I promise to love you without condition and to honor you each and every day. I promise to laugh with you when you're happy and to support you when you're sad, and to allow you to do the same for me. I love you unconditionally and without hesitation. Today, I choose you to be my husband. I accept you as you are and offer myself in return. I will care for you, stand beside you, and share with you all the days of my life. I love you.
Olivia, for this vow, I sort of see it as it's a promise, but it's also a privilege. Because for the rest of my life, I get to laugh with you and cry with you, care for you and share with you. I get to run with you and walk with you, build with you and live with you. From this day forth and forever after, sweet Olive, I love you. Can't wait to spend the rest of our life together, through all of it.
I'd like for everybody to raise a toast to Dillon and Olivia. I heard it said before, there's about 7 or 8 billion people in the world. And I don't know how Olivia found the one that's for her, but she did. May your days be filled with sunshine and happiness and a long, long life